Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 6:40 in the morning. Just getting some McDonald's, about to be at Shadow Cliffs. And I'm gonna go for some rainbow trout today. I'm gonna troll a little bit, throw some lures, and see what happens. See if we get lucky. So, see you out there. Well, just pulled in. Good thing I didn't get here an hour earlier like I planned. I'm gonna be sitting here for probably half an hour. So, since I have a little bit of time to wait, when I picked up my coffee from McDonald's, she handed it to me like this, holding onto the lid. I was holding the bottom. I grabbed it. When she let go, I don't know what happened, but the coffee cup just tipped and the lid disconnected and dumped down the side of my door and all over my pants. I dried it off. My pants are quick drying, so whatever, that's good. But I wanted the coffee to wake me up by drinking it, not by pouring it on myself. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, here we are, Shadow Cliffs. Let's go. Foggy morning. I love this. There's a bunch of people out. There's a bunch of fish in the water. My friend Jeff gave me a fish finder, and pretty stoked about it. Even though I don't know if I installed it right because I'm not seeing the depth. I'm just seeing like my map mode. So I don't know if I loaded it right. I'm not trolling. But I'm able to see my trolling speed, the water depth, and the water temperature. So like that's literally so perfect. Let's just get a nice couple warm-ups. All right, so it's November 22nd, 23rd, Shadow Cliffs. It's like 7:15, 7:30 in the morning. The whole gate situation sucked. I don't understand why here and Lake Chabot both don't open certain things until 7. Just seems kind of late, but whatever. I cannot tell where I'm going, like for real. So that's okay. That's okay. There's my depth. Shit's starting to get fishy around here. See an osprey dive Seeing fish surface left and right. It's 10 o'clock. Wow, nothing. Well, just missed the first bite of the day on the spoon. That sucks. Oh, we got a fish, finally. That's a good one. Finally, dude. God damn. On the homemade. Finally, boys. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. That's a good one. Well, kind of a slow day overall at Shadow Cliffs. I had 3 hits while trolling, landed one of them. It was my PB Rainbow Trout, 17 inches. Can't really complain about that. Fought really well, a lot of fun. Caught it on the 1/4 ounce kastmaster that I found at Lake Chabot that was all beat up, that I sanded down and repainted. Anyways, it was a good feeling. So I had a great day. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you could. I do these videos for myself, so it's more just knowing that people are enjoying the same things that I'm enjoying. So anyways, have a good day. Tight lines. Tight lines.